Hello nice people, welcome to this video. Today I'm going to show you my experience traveling with the Uganda train from the Kampala train station to Namanve train station, where it actually stops apparently. The Kampala train station is actually located along Nasa Road. In case you want to board the train, you simply come to the Kampala train station and then you come over here, you enter inside. When you get inside here, you simply have to wait for the time when you have to board the train. Then you have to get the ticket. Once you get your ticket, then you simply march down to the platform. As of making this video, the train only departs from Kampala to Namanve and the same from Namanve to Kampala, and has a couple of stops, which is one in Nakawa, another in Kireka, another in Bweyogere, and the very last one in Namanve. The seats inside are quite comfy, and the price for the ticket is actually 1,000 for the whole trip, and this whole trip actually takes about 40 minutes from Kampala to Namanve. This same trip would actually take you more than 2 hours if you're using the public vans, or call them the taxis, and it would actually be more costly. At the different places where they have a stop, it will stop, and then other people will disembark and others will join in, and boom, you continue enjoying your journey. One thing you have to know is that if you're going to take the Uganda train, you may end up not being very comfortable because it takes a lot of people. Others will be standing. Yeah, I actually got to find this woman who was selling pancakes. I tasted the pancakes and they were really nice. Once I reached my final station, which was Namanve, then I simply had to jump off the train, and that's it. There was nothing complicated, nothing you have to book prior. That was my brief experience with the Uganda train journey from Kampala to Namanve. Thank you so much for watching the video, and if you're new to the channel and you want to see more travel videos like this, please subscribe. And if you have comments, questions, leave them down in the comment box below. Thank you so much for watching and have a good time.